Welcome to today's Ask Dr. Ngaw's series. One of our Hill Club members asked Dr. Ngaw, what is the most important factor to combat obesity and also to reverse type 2 diabetes? Are there differences between weight loss or fat loss?
What is the most important factor to eliminate obesity or to help to reduce weight? That is the problem. What is the problem? We do not look at overall weight. So what is weight? Wow, we are so philosophical nowadays. But in order to reduce weight, you do not focus on the overall weight. Rather, you focus on what? You should focus on the fat mass. When you want to reduce weight is actually what we are talking about is to reduce the fat mass. If you reduce fat mass, only they will be beneficial to the human body. If not, if you are going to reduce overall weight, you might reduce protein or muscle mass. If you reduce both muscle mass and fat mass, is rather not beneficial and it could be disastrous. You can be sarcopenic. Oh, so sorry, I have talked so much about the medical jargon. But don't worry, we have already discussed this in our first ebook, From Fat to Fit, Not a Fad. So follow us in our social media. See you guys. Bye.